Hello, everyone. So today I have a great news to announce, actually, and probably you're wondering. Probably you already know. I don't know. But this is the website of FlutterFlow, and it was just announced like a few hours ago. If you go down right now to the bottom of the website, uh, so down to the very bottom to the folder. And now you have communities, and you have the community itself. And now you have the ambassadors. So if you click ambassadors, it will actually open a new website, and it will say join the revolution, FlutterFlow ambassadors, so volunteers, builders who teach FlutterFlow through online and offline channels within their communities. This is the ambassador badge. And they have also a hashtag which is build different. And if you go down, you can see grow together, and you can see learn FlutterFlow from top users, FlutterFlow ambassadors. Check out the ambassadors below. And we have Jose. I hope this is good. I pronounce it well in Brazil. He's from Brazil. He was actually a great. You can actually don't see him very good because of my camera, and I don't think I can move it right now. But yeah, he's actually a great person in the community as well. He was in a long time in the community for the flow, and he's actually great. If you are from Portugal or from Brazil, you think you should definitely follow his channel. And then we have Matthias. I'm not sure. I'm not good with the names, but we have Doc, and I think he's from the States. So all those three channels are amazing. And then if we go down a little bit, you can actually see my own channel, which is over here. So that's about the video. You probably guessed it, or you probably already know about it. This is my batch, and it says my name, and you can see my picture. And you can see this is the name of my channel, the YouTube channel, which is FlutterFlow Expert, and then the region I operate or where I am from, which is Europe. And I am from the top 6. Actually, I'm the only European one over here. So that actually makes me super proud. The channel of most of those guys actually are they're much bigger than me, much huge channels than my channel. So thank you for the flow for actually putting me here and making me ambassador. And let's see, we'll go a little bit down so you can see what the ambassador actually is. But like I said, great channels here. All those guys have amazing channels, so definitely you can follow them as well. And some of them are actually in their own languages like Indian or Portuguese or some other languages. But yeah, the European guys actually, we are not a lot of European guys. I think we are. No, you can actually see. I don't think we are 3 people only from the Europe. And yeah, let's hope that the European scene will get along with the FlutterFlow faster as well. So if you're from Europe, definitely follow my channel. But even if you're not from Europe, you can also, of course, follow my channel to support ambassadors from Europe or like I said, any channel out there. So if we go down, it will say increase engagement, teach and facilitate learning. Our ambassadors are those that love to teach and help others learn FlutterFlow. True, very true. Content tutorials. They can produce content such as courses and tutorials, lead online and offline communities. I only lead online for now, but this is actually a good thing to talk about. I think in the future there will be also offline events. From You can expect offline events from the ambassadors. At least this is the idea. And not only from me, of course, but from all the ambassadors. So if you're living nearby ambassador, that's great thing that you can actually expect that in the future. And like in general, FlutterFlow is growing more and more, and I think this is a normal lead to this. To have online communities and offline communities and offline events in general. And then create FlutterFlow templates. I'm not very, like I said every time, I'm not a UI UX guy, so I'm not the best person to create templates for. But the other guys are actually, and translate FlutterFlow and ex- execute other activities that advanced the capability of the FlutterFlow community. Yeah, in my case, I do online tutorials, and I actually try to do my best from all above, from all those here. And regarding the community, as you probably already know, I'm the moderator of the community, one of the moderators. Of course, we are. I'm not the only one, which is great. Actually, I really, like I said, really thankful to FlutterFlow for doing that for the community in general, and for me and for my viewers. Then we have contribute and teach. So you have FlutterFlow ambassadors are generally individuals who have already been contributing to the ecosystem and now are being officially recognized by FlutterFlow, which is great actually. Again, because that way FlutterFlow will actually engage with us more, and we'll probably have more, even more access to the FlutterFlow team, and probably we can have, like, we can say, like, what can be done better. So if you are actually watching this video, if you're a FlutterFlow user and you think that something can be done better, or whatever you want to say, you can actually comment in this video, and I will try to pass everything to the FlutterFlow team. But in general, if you're just subscribed to my channel, I will actually try to whatever feedback that I get from the users that are watching my channels and from the comments, I actually try to pass that to the FlutterFlow team as well, because I think it's it's very good feedback when there are a lot of people actually wanting something, or even talking about something that can be done better or improved, or have any ideas. And it's also the third one. It's exclusive benefits. So ambassadors will have more uh, exclusive benefits to FlutterFlow, and can represent FlutterFlow as official volunteer representative in the community. So that's great. Actually, I can just say that I can represent FlutterFlow, which is amazing. Again, great news for all of us, and I think for the community. Create community content in the communities created. I think they should be created by FlutterFlow ambassadors belong to the ambassador. FlutterFlow may sometimes promote non-paid content created by ambassadors. Generally, I think what is the idea is that with ambassadors can actually have our own communities, and this would be those communities will be as well recognized by FlutterFlow, which is again great because you can actually that can actually lead to awesome things, not only for FlutterFlow but for the communities of the ambassador and for the ambassador itself. And then we can have the ambassador benefits. So find out the perks of becoming a FlutterFlow ambassador. So what are the perks if you are an ambassador, or for me, or for any all the people that are ambassadors right now? So we can be an ambassador of the month highlighted. So that's great. Actually, I don't believe that I can be ambassador of the month, and for some reason, like I said, my channel, it's not that big. Um, And I hope that my impact is that big, but I don't think that I'm reaching a lot of people right now. So if you can actually like this video and share it, it would be great actually. I would be very thankful. And if I someday or some month can be ambassador of the month, that would be an awesome thing for me actually. And I will try even better and harder and do even more content and even more videos. And then special M&A sessions with the members of the FlutterFlow team. Like I said, I actually use those sessions, and I would try to listen to the communities that to the people that comment to my YouTube channel and the videos to try to pass wherever your needs are. And also because I'm the moderator of the community, I spend a lot of time in the community in general. So I will actually try to pass that knowledge to the team as well, because I think this is beneficial for everyone. And then we have priority for community or official events. That is great actually, because uh, in general, I believe and I think this would be one of my dreams actually to attend on of a FlutterFlow event, maybe in Europe, or I mean, official FlutterFlow event, of course, maybe in Europe, maybe in the States, who knows? But that would be great actually to actually meet the team in person and to yeah, to be on just an official event from FlutterFlow. And guest appears on the YouTube channel. That's actually an awesome thing, because you already probably know about the live sessions that they're doing, the FlutterFlow team are doing, and there is it's UI and UX. Um, right now, the direction of the live channels are UI and UX. But I actually hope that, considering me, who is not a UI UX a person, but I'm more into like feature related and code. Like doing it that with codes and extending actually the capabilities of FlutterFlow. I think this will be a beneficial thing to actually have ourselves as ambassadors featuring of the videos of the official channel of YouTube. That would be actually great for me. At least it would be amazing. And then you have unique swag from the FlutterFlow team. That's great, actually. I already have. We probably saw it. I'm not with that right now, but I probably should be with my FlutterFlow T-shirt. Um, but I already have a FlutterFlow T-shirt from the FlutterFlow team, and I think that is because I was very active in the community, and also I'm a beta tester, and also I am an issue tracker as well. So probably that's why to be honest, I don't know the real reason behind that, but I think it's one of them, or maybe combine all of them. But I can't wait actually uh, to get the gear that they are going to, or the swag that they're going to send. And actually, I have this. Probably I can show that as well. So I have this as well, which is great. I have those stickers. I'm actually keeping them now. I don't know where to stick them right now, but I have those as well. So thank you very much for that. Uh, and it's nearby my desk, so I can see them uh, often. And then you have the promotion of content and events and paid. That's great actually, because I think the whole idea is that if one of the ambassadors think of having an event online and offline, it can be actually promoted in FlutterFlow official channels, which actually is great thing as well. And then we have application process. So individual must be referent to be ambassador or selected by the FlutterFlow team members after Invitation has been extended. Every individual must apply to be ambassador and presented the evidence of their FlutterFlow experience, community presence. And you can actually see three of us. And I'm here. I'm so proud, and that I'm here. It's like unimaginable, but yeah, it's like that. So thank you very much for the recognition again, FlutterFlow. And we have the ambassador platform. Um, are you a FlutterFlow creator or community builder? Although applications are currently closed, we are still looking to add ambassadors to our program who are able to create content. Our 500K plus builders. If you would like to be considered as an ambassador, please refer yourself below. We will review your profile and reach out if you are a good fit. And you have to write your email, and then you have the primary social content channels, and probably if you have a YouTube channel or a Twitter channel or something like that, you can write it over here. Then you can submit it. And then we have frequently asked questions. Have questions about switching to FlutterFlow. We've got you covered. And then we have a few questions that we can read through. And the first question is, how can I apply to be a FlutterFlow ambassador? Actually, the answer is over here. Just filling this form, I think it will be enough. But FlutterFlow ambassador selected on a rolling basis. At this time, there is no open applications to apply to become a FlutterFlow ambassador. So fortunately, you have to wait, but I think you can still apply, right? Because you have the form over here. So if you want to be, you can still apply this form. And then we have how are FlutterFlow ambassadors selected. So FlutterFlow ambassadors are selected based on their contributions to the FlutterFlow community. FlutterFlow ambassadors have a track record of creating FlutterFlow content, hosting meetup in their areas, giving presentation at conferences, or hosting courses. If you want to be selected as a FlutterFlow ambassador, we engage you to contribute to the community, plus tag us on the social media. So yeah, this is a hint actually. If you want to be a FlutterFlow ambassador, this is how you can do it. Just be more engaged in the community, and also I'm not sure about the tagging thing, but I think if you're a lot, if you make tutorials, if you are very engaged with the community, I think FlutterFlow. I don't think I know that FlutterFlow will actually the FlutterFlow team will actually notice you. So I think this is a great way of being noticed. And then the second question is, what are the goals of the ambassador program? So the goal of the ambassador program is to provide our growing international FlutterFlow community with more diversity sources of content, plus support our early community builders. Our aim is to bring no more on more, of course. Our aim is to bring on more ambassadors who enjoy creating FlutterFlow content and executing offline and online events, and in order to empower users across the globe when learning FlutterFlow. So yeah, that's great actually. Like I said, they're empowering the ambassadors, and I think FlutterFlow in general to actually have online and offline events. So expect that in the future from me as well. Um, yeah, and then let's go to the other one, to the second question. Uh, what does the procedure includes? The procedure to become an ambassador includes an application and a form and formal chat with the FlutterFlow team. The application asks for reference for your content, creation assets, and activities that you have executed. Yeah, in my probably I can talk a little bit about my actual informal chat. It was great chat. I only have 30-minute chat. I think because I'm a recognized person, like I said, in the community, and because of my YouTube channel. So it was actually great talking to the team, and the team can actually. Sometimes they can actually advise you what you can do better. For example, if you have to change something, what you can change. But I'm very happy because in my case, I didn't have to change anything. Actually, they said that I'm already a great fit for to become an ambassador. So that was great for me. Actually, like I said, I'm very happy and proud about it. If I'm not in the problem, does that mean that I can host or make FlutterFlow content? Definitely not. In fact, please tweet us about your content or event so we can hear about it and help you promote. This is also how you're able to get on the radar for the FlutterFlow ambassador program. Yeah. So definitely, if you feel like it, make tutorials and make videos, and you'll be noticed. Like I said, I'm like an example for that because when I first started, I was doing just tutorials, mainly because of myself, to be honest, because I wanted to know how you can actually do things and just remember them. So that's why tutorials were a great experience or great way for me to learn as well. So yeah, definitely make them, and you'll be noticed. I'm sure about it. And the last question is, can I make money as an FlutterFlow ambassador? Certification, can I say this word, is voluntary. However, many of our ambassadors are allowed to use their badges when promoting their paid activities, only as long as ambassadors are also providing resources to their unpaid activities. So yeah, technically what they're trying to say is that you can have your paid resources still. In my case, I'm doing the mentoring hours, but you have to have a free content as well in order to be chosen for the Flow ambassador. So that's important to know as well. And we have an acknowledgement, which is all participant in the FlutterFlow ambassador program is completely voluntarily. So yeah, definitely I have to say that FlutterFlow is not paying to us for sure. It's like promoting what you're doing in their official website and recognizing us as FlutterFlow ambassador or some person who is actually creating content for FlutterFlow, which is great actually, which is amazing. Like I said, uh, if any of the point you no longer want to participate, if at any point you no longer want to participate, please let us know. So yeah, that's great. Like I said, big news for me, big news for my channel, big news for my viewers actually as well, because my subscribers are actually growing, and I hope that it is actually helpful. So yeah, I have like some goals that I set to myself. So for the 2,000 subscribers, which is near right now, I said I'm going to do a website for copying the code. So this is the website that I did. It will get better and better, but this is my surprise for the 2,000 subscribers, and I'm thinking actually to do surprise for the 3,000 subscribers, for the 4,000 subscribers, for the 5,000 subscribers, and more. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And I'll think of a very interesting things to actually have on my channel and build thanks to the numbers of the subscribers that I have. But like I said, for the 2,000 subscribers, and that I want to thank you actually, guys, that you subscribe to my channel. This is the website that I did, and one of my latest videos right now, it's kickstart your FlutterFlow Cloud Functions journey with FlutterFlow step-by-step tutorial. This is actually about sending an email using FlutterFlow. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and yeah, I hope you see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Take care.